Hi, I'm Tony Ives, Executive Director of Kitsap Community Resources. Would you like to make your home more energy efficient, reduce home energy consumption, and increase the health, safety, comfort, and longevity of your home? The City of Bremerton has partnered with KCR to assist with the weatherization of your home and help with some minor home repairs. Affordable housing is defined as a home that takes no more than 30% of a household's income. That means for utilities, rent, or mortgage. Now, many families in Kitsap County pay utilities and rent that are up to 60% of their budget. So if you're a Kitsap County resident struggling to make your energy costs, maybe we can help. So go to our website at kcr.org for more information. Together with our partners such as the City of Bremerton and the Bremerton Housing Authority, KCR is here to make a difference in the communities in which we serve.